In today's fast-paced digital economy, order fulfillment is no longer just a back-end process. It's a business-critical function that directly impacts customer trust and satisfaction. Yet across the globe, companies face mounting challenges: delayed deliveries, out-of-stock products, weather disruptions, and inefficient route planning, all leading to increased costs and unhappy customers. So, let's ask the real question. What if you had an autonomous bot that could handle this entire process for you? From checking inventory, to assigning the right delivery agent, to rerouting based on real-time weather and logistics data. Introducing SmartRoute AI Agent. Powered by Automation Anywhere, your intelligent, self-driven assistant built to revolutionize order fulfillment and delivery operations. Now let's take a look at how the SmartRoute AI Agent, embedded directly into the order fulfillment platform, works in real time to optimize delivery decisions. As the user initiates the fulfillment process, the AI agent springs into action. First, it fetches real-time warehouse inventory data, identifying product availability across multiple warehouses. This ensures the system knows exactly where stock is located before making any routing decisions. Next, the agent integrates with live weather services, checking weather forecasts for each delivery location and along possible routes. This allows it to intelligently avoid delays due to rain, storms, or regional disruptions, especially critical for areas like Florida, where weather may impact ETA. Then, it begins assessing delivery agent availability, mapping each delivery location against the current location, workload, and proximity of delivery personnel. The system automatically identifies the best-suited delivery agents for each route to reduce time and fuel consumption. Behind the scenes, SmartRoute uses a CoStar-style prompting framework to reason through the situation using Automation Anywhere API agent. It understands the context, different orders going to distinct cities. It defines the objective, to deliver all products within SLA while minimizing cost and maximizing efficiency. Then, it performs a search across internal systems and external APIs, checking stock levels, weather, agent location, and traffic conditions. It evaluates the thought process, considering factors like product type, warehouse location, and forecasted delays. Then takes action, assigning orders to the optimal warehouse and dispatching the most suitable delivery agent. Finally, it generates a response, preparing a delivery plan and communicating the decisions back to the user interface. Each decision is autonomous, data-driven, and goal-aligned. The SmartRoute AI agent doesn't just react, it anticipates. It learns from past delivery performance, traffic trends, and operational KPIs to continually improve routing logic over time. Once the decisions are made, the agent sends automated updates, assigns tracking IDs, and even emails a consolidated fulfillment report to the operations team.